here, not mine.
Oh my gosh.
They was all talking shit. He said that is not mac
So
and
just noodles and cheese sauce? What is that? Alright, just throw some breadcrumbs on top of it. I see why men used to beat y'all in the 50s. Cause if y'all was cooking like this, after I did a 50-hour shift in the factory, and I've gotta eat some of that, whatever that is, there might be some hands swinging around the house. I'm just saying. I'm not saying I condone it. I'm just saying I'm just understanding.